हाउ टू यूज स्टॉप लॉस टू कवर द लॉस इन द स्टॉक मार्केट। किस तरीके से हम स्टॉप लॉस का इस्तेमाल करके मार्केट में अपने लॉस को मिनिमाइज और प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं। दैट्स राइट। अगर आप किसी भी स्टॉक में ट्रेड ले रहे हो, अगर आप किसी भी स्टॉक को बाय कर रहे हो, प्रॉफिट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इन अ ट्रेड इज नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स, बट वन थिंग दैट वी कैन कंट्रोल इज आवर लॉस। वी आर द वन दैट कैन डिसाइड कि कितना रिस्क हम एक ट्रेड में अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं। एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट लॉस इज अ टूल that will help you to cover your loss, to control your loss whenever the stock market or a particular stock goes against your analysis. At that time, using a stop loss has proven to be very beneficial in terms of protecting your money, protecting your portfolio from a big crash. And now you must have understand that not using stop loss is the biggest mistake that a trader can do. Stop loss को use ना करना and more importantly सही से use ना करना is a huge mistake that will cost you huge money in the market. And in this video I am going to give you a detailed explanation what are the mistakes that people do while placing the stop loss along with live demo in the market. So अगर आप भी एक प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर की तरह मार्केट में अपने प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमाइज और लॉस को मिनिमाइज करना चाहते हो, then you have to watch this video till the end. Do not skip it. And one more thing. If you find anything valuable, anything that can add value to your trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. And so, I welcome you to Trading5. Trading5 पर आपका स्वागत है. This is the channel that provides you with various informative content on stock market, trading and technical analysis. And by not wasting much time, let's start with the video. And first, let us understand with an example how do you accurately place a stop loss. Now, जैसे कि आप अपने स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हो, एक स्टॉक जो काफी समय से साइडवेज रेंज में था, a stock which was running sideways is giving a breakout now. So this simply means that कि अब एक sideways range uptrend में convert हो रहा है. That means a new trend is emerging, a new uptrend is coming from the sideways. And that's why there is a breakout from the resistance. So अब हमें पता है कि if there is a breakout from the resistance, it is a positive breakout and we have to buy on it. And in my previous video, I have explained about the breakout trading strategy, wherein I have told that there are two conditions to trade on a breakout. अगर आपने अभी तक इस वीडियो को नहीं देखा है, then you can watch it out later. So the first condition is when the stock breaks out of the resistance, and the second condition happens when the stock comes down to retest, it takes a support on the resistance, which is a change in polarity. And this sign indicates a strong uptrend, a strong bullish movement in that stock. And this is like a confirmation for that breakout. So this happens the condition 2, and we can buy after this confirmation or look for increasing the quantity. But let me tell you that the exit point is more important than the entry. That's right. Market में जो professional traders होते हैं, जो कंसिस्टेंटली मार्केट से पैसा बनाते हैं, उनका यही सीक्रेट है कि वो अपनी एग्जिट को अपनी एंट्री से पहले प्लान करते हैं. एग्जैक्टली, दे प्लान द एग्जिट बिफोर द एंट्री. सो इफ दे आर रनिंग इन प्रॉफिट, दे हैव नो प्रॉब्लम. बट इफ दे स्टार्ट मेकिंग लॉस, इफ द ट्रेड गोज अगेंस्ट देम, दे हैव द स्टॉप लॉसेस. सो इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑन द कंडीशन 1 ऑफ ब्रेकआउट सिस्टम, दैट इज यू आर बाइंग द स्टॉक एट दिस लेवल, you will place the stop loss below the low. That is, if in case the stock starts going down, you will make a very minimum loss and your portfolio will be safe from a huge crash. Just remember that कि बड़े लॉस से अच्छा है एक छोटा लॉस लेके निकल जाना. Because अगर एक बार आपने एक बड़ा लॉस बना दिया मार्केट में, तो उस लॉस से रिकवर होना, स्पेशली अपने माइंडसेट से रिकवर होना, इज वेरी हार्ड. It will cost you a lot of time and money in the stock market. So it is necessary that if you are wrong in the market, book a small loss instead of going for a big loss. And as you can see, when we buy on the second condition, we will sell the stock if the price crosses the level below the support. That's right. अगर प्राइस इस लेवल से नीचे चला जाता है, then I am going to square off my position. I accept that I am wrong in the market. I will just remember the concept that small loss is much better than the big loss. And so I will place a stop loss over here. So that is how you completely trade on a breakout. There are two conditions according to me for trading on the breakout. First is on the breakout itself, and second is when the stock take a retracement. And in both conditions, we can place a stop loss in such a way shown on the screen. And one advice that I would like to give you if you're trading on this system is that अगर आप मार्केट में नए आए हो, आपके पास कैपिटल बहुत कम है ट्रेड करने के लिए, then always trade on this second condition, that is on confirmation. So remember that अगर आप डायरेक्टली एक सिग्नल पे ट्रेड कर रहे हो, that is buy और sell सिग्नल पे ट्रेड कर रहे हो, then you are actually taking a big risk in the market. But अगर आप उस सिग्नल के confirmation पर ट्रेड कर रहे हो, then the risk is actually small and the chances of winning are more. Alright, so next let us see how we can use stop loss in an uptrend. So you know when the stock is in uptrend, जब उस शेयर का प्राइस एक पैटर्न फॉर्म करता है which is called as higher high and higher low. So as you can see on the screen, this is high, this is low, and this is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And this pattern continues in the market until there is a reversal. So if you want to properly trade in the uptrend, if you want to place your stop loss correctly in case of an uptrend, then watch this carefully. So uptrend में हम तब बाय करते हैं जब एक प्राइस हायर लो पे सपोर्ट लेता है. So as you can see on the screen, this is the higher low and this is a support on that level. So we buy at the support. और अगर इस सिचुएशन में हमें स्टॉप लॉस रखना है then we will place it below the previous low. So this is the current low and this is the previous low. So below this we will place the stop loss. So if in this trade our analysis goes correct, then हम profit बनाएंगे, we will make good returns in the market. लेकिन अगर by chance हम गलत जाते हैं, the stock goes against the direction, then we will book a small loss instead of going for such a huge loss. So now you understand how important a stop loss is while trading. अगर आप stop loss को सही से समझ गए, then it will be a game changer for you. You will be able to cut your losses and maximize your profit. That's right. And now let us look at how can we place a stop loss in a downtrend. So जब market downtrend में होता है और when a stock is in downtrend, it forms a pattern which is lower low and lower high. So as you can see on the screen, this is a low, this is a high. So this is again the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And this pattern of lower low, lower high will continue until the stock moves in a sideways range or takes a reversal. So if you want to take a trade in a downtrend, that is we usually look for selling in the downtrend. अगर market में downtrend है, then usually we sell the stock, we short the stock. So whenever the price takes a resistance on the lower high, we sell the stock, that is short the stock. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is a lower high and this is a resistance on it. So we would usually sell over here. And हम stop loss रखेंगे above the previous high. So अगर trade यहाँ से reverse हो जाता है, अगर हमारा analysis wrong हो जाता है, then we will make a small loss. That is, this will be the loss that we will be booking instead of going for such a huge loss. And that's the key aspect that I want you to learn in this video. There are like three situations in the market: sideways, uptrend, downtrend. So one thing to remember that if there is a uptrend, we will buy and place the stop loss below the lower low. And if you are trading in downtrend, we will short the trade. हम एक short trade लेंगे and stop loss रखेंगे above the lower high. So now let me show you how you can actually place a stop loss if you have taken a trade in your Demat account. So now I have logged into my Upstox account. You can see Upstox is one of the leading broker in India. If you want to open your Demat or trading account, you can open it in Upstox. मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन और कमेंट बॉक्स में लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा. You can check that out. So here I go to the portfolio and I have taken a trade in Bajaj Auto as demo. And now I want to place a stop loss over here. So what I will do, click on that trade, go to sell. और यहाँ पे आपको सिलेक्ट करना है NSE और BSE. So we go with NSE. And exactly here you can notice there are four types of orders. And for stop loss we have these two types of orders, the SL limit and the SL market. So in SL limit you give the stop loss price and the trigger price. So whenever the price of the stock comes near the trigger, the process of squaring of the trade will be initiated. But in case of limit order, it is necessary that the price of the stock and the stop loss price should be exactly same. If there is a small difference in them, a stop loss won't be triggered. However, in case of market order, if the price of the stock comes near to the stop loss, that is, there can be a difference of some 50 or 100 points, that's not a problem. जैसे ही स्टॉक का प्राइस स्टॉप लॉस प्राइस के नजदीक आ जाएगा, the trade will be automatically squared off. And I personally prefer using stop loss with market order. So here I will enter my stop loss price, and to place this properly I have to analyze the stock, I have to analyze its lows and highs. And then only I can enter the trigger price with proper accuracy. And here I am placing a stop loss price like this. This is not a very exact stop loss क्योंकि मैंने स्टॉक को अभी तक एनालाइज नहीं किया है. I am just entering this price for an example, and then I will click on review sell order and my stop loss will be placed. And so if my analysis goes against me, if the stock is coming down and when it hits my stop loss, I will exit the trade. So that is exactly how you place a stop loss in your Demat account. So I hope you understand what is the true importance of stop loss. अगर आप stop loss नहीं यूज करते हो तो आप मार्केट से consistent profit बना ही नहीं सकते. Because one big loss is enough to wipe up your whole profit. So the key point, the key lesson that we learn in this video is that you must place stop loss in every trades. Not having a stop loss is the biggest mistake that a trader can do, because the small loss are much better than the huge losses. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video as much as possible, and do not miss such many content on stock market and technical analysis. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next